My loves, I am delighted to gift you this little egg cabinet. We've got a lovely back there and we've got these doors on the front. When we open these doors, we've got eggs inside a cabinet and we've got this little slider card that lives in there like that. You've got writing space there, you've got writing space on the back there, and that is your free printable. And it also comes with this lovely little tag, gorgeous little piece of happy mail in its own right, or a little journal edition. But it is also designed to match the chicken coop. Let's just show you that before we make this. The chicken coop has got a belly band and a bow. I think I'm trying to keep the paper foxes out. And when we open it up, inside we've got so many lovely things. It's so whimsical. I love this kit. We've got this lovely broody chicken here in a nest of forget-me-nots, and inside the broody chicken there's a little tag with chicks on it. She lives in there like that. We've got another chicken in a nest. She's also a little journaling card, and she has got 3 chicks, which is also a folding card. That's her. We've got this box of eggs. Love this so much. We've got the bottom of the box of eggs as well. Open the lid, we've got the eggs, and we can open this still further, and we've got writing space. That's that piece there. This here is a basket of eggs. Inside we've got a folding journaling card. That fits in there just nice. Then we've got this beautiful cockerel. Isn't it just gorgeous? And he's got flapping wings on both sides, and he is a folding card. So you've got lots of writing space in this kit. We've got a little tag there on its own. We've got this lovely little hanging burlap stitched chicken decoration, this stuffed heart, and that is also a writing space. We've got corn, and we can pop this open, and we've got writing space in there. And we've also got a folio in here, as if we hadn't got enough going on already. We've got a pocket, we've got different little tags in there, we've got a strip of little chick tickets. There we go. That's it. That is the chicken coop. Lots and lots going on. The free printable, where is it? It's designed to fit inside, but it also stands alone. You don't need to buy this to be able to make and enjoy this one. Let's see how we make it. Hello my loves, I've got my bits and bobs cut out. I'm on 200-gram card and I am not reverse printing. So we've got this piece here. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to fold it. I'm going to do this by hand. There's some natural little cut-ins here that are going to help us. So fold that piece over, fold this piece over, and these are going to meet in the middle. These lovely doors. There we go. Open it out again. This piece here I'm going to fold down. Could have done that first, really. So everything's nice and square and neat. There. And I'm going to glue these doors down so that I've got a double-sided door here like that. I know, it's great. So glue, glue, glue all over one of these panels here. And the same with the other one. And I'm going to bring these down and glue them in place. Just like that. And that's why I said I should have done this bit first, because my folds might be a little bit off now. Oh no, we're all right, look at that. There we go, line that up so it's all nice. I'm going to ink those edges, get rid of that white edge in a minute. And this piece here is going to fit in the middle, just like that. Everything's going to need to fold in. So you may find that you want to just trim a little bit off the sides there, which is what I'm going to do right now. There we are. So I've just trimmed a whisker off both of those sides there, so that will fit comfortably in there and allow me to close my doors nice and snugly. And the other thing I want to do is make a slit, and I'm going to do that on the top shelf here, and I'm going to do it where the front of this shelf meets the base of the shelf, not on the very, very back there where the shelf meets this burlap backing. I'm going to do it on the front of the shelf here. Let's have a look how wide I need to do it. Here's my eggs. This is how wide it's going to be. My eggs are going to sit in there just like that. So I'm going to go from here right the way across. By all means, use a ruler. I've got a really steady hand. There we go. And your eggs are ultimately going to sit in that slot that you've just made right about there, so that they line up like that. Look at that, it's cute. I know. Before I go sticking that down, I'm going to do some inking, and I'm going to fold these back because I've got a little white edge here now that I want to lose in the fold here, there, and I've got some white edges here that I want to lose as well. There we are. Right, so I can glue this piece in place now. So turn it over. Everything above the slit, oops, is going to get glued. And then I'm going to make a pocket out of this bottom section. So gluing around the edge. You can come up a little bit there if you like, so that your little slider card can't disappear down into the bottom there. Just give it a little bit of breathing space. And you do the same up the sides as well. There we go. This can then go down in place, lining the lid up, the roof. Line the roof up with the roof. There we are. And there's your egg cabinet complete. I'm going to take this out while it dries. So everything above the slit, remember, has been glued. I can pop a little bit more ink on anywhere I can see any naughty white. There. And that, my loves, is it. That is your egg cabinet complete. Your egg card slots in there like that, and you've also got a lovely little chicken card as well, because I had space on the page. And that will then live in your chicken coop. If you've bought the chicken coop, no purchase necessary, you don't have to. You can just use this as a little standalone piece, as a lovely little piece of happy mail, or in your journal or whatever. But that is actually designed to fit in there as well. Have lots of fun, my loves. I will see you next time.